You care about one thing, the results. There is a reason why you want it, only you can understand. There is a reason why you're drawn into it, and there is a reason why you're still searching for it. As simple as it gets, I would say that you're still searching for it because you don't have it. In order to help you, I will need your help. You may stop resisting the idea of rolling back the fundamentals in music and chord build. It could be a great source of emotional settlement for you if we start from scratch. This could become the best idea ever happened to you. Here's the deal. We want to build up a great structure for your music performance and composition.
3,
This structure
5,
will serve
7,
you as a
9.
base for your future
Now,
creation. Picture yourself of you having fun and learning a great deal of knowledge at the same time. You put expectation on a side, and with the open mind you approach the music theory with passion and care. Music is a mistress. In order to feel comfortable with it, first we may need to understand how the music exists. I want you to get excited because once we introduce the rules of chord build to you, you will witness a tremendous growth. When you have a structure figured out, the rest of it is up to you and your personality. Instead of F, we could think A minor 7. First inversion, now second, and third. Okay, so if we go for B flat, major 7, so this is 5 notes, and we are skipping the root, which is B flat, and we end up with D minor 7. So this is root position, first inversion, second, and then third. In music composition and arrangement, it's a very popular thing to do, to marry two different flavors, like we just did minor chord with major chord, what includes the same notes. But the way we compose takes our composition to the next level, because instead of being committed to major 7 chord, we start being committed to minor 7 chord on top of the major chord. So automatically the stress trace point and the weight, the way we resolve notes and how we conclude them and make them primary becomes totally new sound, like kind of thinking outside of the box sound when we combine a major 7 chord with the minor 7 on top. Of course, right now there's no much different, but later on when we add more colors, more tensions, you're going to experience something extraordinary. We will get there. No more struggle, no more fear, no more confusion. Just say yes to this opportunity. What do you have to lose? Nothing, actually, but you can gain everything.